Meanwhile, the parliamentary opposition has described the state visit by President Mahama and the Ghanaian delegation as a full-circle moment for both countries. Senator Donna Scott Mottley, who represented opposition leader Mark Golding, says the country is looking to the Global Advisory Council for Reparatory Justice, established and chaired by Ghana, on how it advances on slavery. The Prime Ministers of Jamaica, Barbados and St. Vincent and the Grenadines also sit on the council. Senator Scott Mottley argues even while those discussions are underway, Jamaica's final appellate court, the Privy Council in the UK, remains an unresolved issue.
May we find the courage to complete our own journey from monarchy to republic and to embrace the Caribbean Court of Justice. For if we are serious about reclaiming our history, asserting our sovereignty, and shaping our own future, then surely we must have the courage to do so fully.
Jamaica's Constitutional Reform Committee, established in 2023, was to provide a roadmap on how the country will transition to a republic. But the committee, which has members of both political parties as well as civil society, has been at loggerheads over the ability to agree to a phased reform process. And with days to go until Jamaica celebrates its 64th independence, Senator Scott Mottley, who sits on the committee, says it has been disappointing.
The journey from Africa to the Caribbean did not end with emancipation or independence. It continues in the work of building nations that are fully sovereign, confident in their identity, and masters of their own destiny.